Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing a camera comparison between Samsung Galaxy S21 FE and iPhone 13 Pro. We all know that iPhone 13 Pro has a class-leading camera. Galaxy S21 FE is Samsung's new promising mid-range smartphone and is almost half the price of iPhone 13 Pro. Let's find out in this video which one has a better camera for photos and videos between the two. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. I was quite surprised with the daytime outdoor pictures as both the smartphones did a great job. iPhone does have a marginal edge in terms of the colors, detail and the dynamic range, but in some pictures Samsung was better in producing richer colors. The portrait shots were good in both the smartphones. The front camera selfie shots were also equally great on both the smartphones, but I do prefer the pictures coming out from Samsung compared to the iPhone's front camera. Kindly let me know in the comments below what you guys think, as it can be very subjective. Indoor situations both are quite good, with a slight edge to iPhone 13 Pro with more natural colors. As the light goes dim, both the smartphones struggled, but iPhone's pictures were slightly better in low light compared to Samsung. There is a lens flare issue which is there on iPhone since iPhone 12. In terms of videos from the front camera, iPhone is a clear winner with better quality and stabilization. 1080p videos are quite stable in Samsung but a bit soft. iPhone 13 Pro has a new feature of cinematic video, and Samsung has it for some time, known as portrait video mode. In practical scenario, both are not perfect and struggles with the focus. iPhone video is still better overall, but not perfect by any means. The 4K 60 frame per second rear camera videos from both the smartphones are excellent. iPhone is a king in terms of the video quality in any smartphone till date, but Samsung also produces a great video quality in daytime.
Hearing your laugh and holding your hand. I think of you every day. I hope and I wish that you're doing
This is a low light video comparison between iPhone 13 Pro and Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. I'm recording in 4K 60 frame per second from both the smartphones. Let me know in the comments below how do you find the video quality, and also which one has a better stabilization. In low light videos, both the smartphones struggled, but definitely was better in iPhones as Samsung has a lot of visible noise. So guys, this was the camera comparison between the new Galaxy S21 FE and iPhone 13 Pro. iPhone does have an edge in video department, but otherwise Samsung has some excellent photos and zooming capabilities, and definitely a great value for money. Kindly write me in the comments below which camera quality you like the most and also your opinion. If you like this video, kindly give a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you all soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.